For more than 75 years, Bowman Acme has been the leader in expansion joint technology. From our technical field service to our design and engineering services, BIM services, estimating services, and more. We provide our customer with what they need in order to get the job done right. We are proud to offer our brand new inspection service for expansion joints on parking structures. We partner with engineers, architects, and consulting firms to provide our expertise on expansion joint conditions and technology.
This is what we do. We know expansion joints. We are the expansion joint specialists. Part of the inspection report includes looking for safety concerns. Is there going to be snow plowing taking place out there? Is the concrete substrate in good shape? Is the surrounding area safe? Is the header good? Is the expansion joint the right size? How much more life cycle do they have left? Do they need a new expansion joint, or can they get away with just making a few field repairs?
If needed, we look below the surface of the concrete using the most sophisticated ground penetrating radar technology. We do quantitative corrosion mapping to help determine if there is conduit or rebar on or near your expansion joint. Ultrasonic technology can also be used for many aspects of our inspections, such as void detection and cracks, concrete assessment, and imaging. As an industry leader, our goal is to always make sure that we are supporting our customers, not only with the right products, but also by helping them to simplify their job. We know that not everyone is an expansion joint expert. That is why we offer this service as a supplement to your overall inspection project. To learn more about Bowman Acme's inspection services, contact your local rep today or visit us at watsonbowmanacme.com. Bowman Acme, we are not just a product company, we are a solutions provider.